Thinking about frames within frames is a great way of making your photography stand out, and in nature you see them absolutely everywhere. Here we're going to help you spot frames within frames and show you how to make the most of them. You can't beat a good view, especially when that view is contextualized by a nice natural looking frame. Here we've got these rolling fields off into the distance and this clearing through these two groups of trees that makes for a really nice looking natural frame. What we're actually going to do here is shoot this image in a square format, because I just think there's a lot of stuff going on the far sides of our frame that we don't really need. And all of the subject is in the middle. So what we'll do is find the square option there, and that chops out all of the stuff either side, which I think makes for a much more natural feeling composition with less distraction. So we'll shoot a nice Instagram friendly square image there, and then thinking a bit about where our camera is exposing and maybe turning the exposure up a little bit. And so tapping in one of these darker, more shadowy areas of the frame lets us adjust the exposure so that we get the correct amount of brightness in our foreground.